If you want some tips on packaging, stoves and spark catchers, stay tuned. I was rather happy with my Stanley cooking set system. As well as the pot and lid, the set contained a metal cup, a stove head, fuel, base, lighter, cleaning pad, can opener, all which fitted into the bag. But there were two problems. The small, lightweight burner was very good, but I thought it was a little small for cooking with rather larger pots. Also, it had no self-ignition system. As a replacement, I bought a slightly larger burner that had its own ignition system. The larger stove head came in its own box. However, it rattled. To prevent this, I cut two pieces of heavy-duty foam, one for the bottom and one for the top, and placed it in the box. This worked well. Unfortunately, the setup didn't fit together properly anymore. To make everything fit in, I removed the protective cap from the gas bottle and replaced it with a piece of plastic and an elastic band. Having done that, the whole thing fitted together. Now have a self-igniting, self-contained cooking system. I can use it with large heavy pots, and the stove head can be transported quietly if I'm using another system.
Right, ladies and gents, second part of Sexy Leather. Obviously, it occurred to me a little while ago that wet surfaces are a nightmare for lighting fires on. So again, some of you will have seen this, ever so simple Mack Tightwad idea, flat piece of leather, sewed it up at one end. Because my problem was, and I noticed it a goodly while ago, was when you do this, all your sparks, yeah, your intents go all over the place, the wind will take it. And also, we've all done it, where you're sewed up at one end there, okay, and if you imagine, well, it is soaking wet wood, it's been raining for 2 days here, and you'd still have that problem should you need it. But look, a little bit of leather,
a great idea from Mack Tightwad. Check out his channel. Once I saw his idea, I also thought I could use rubbish and items left lying around to make spark catchers and keep tinder dry. Although all of them will not be suitable for transporting fire, all of them can be used as a base, so once the tinders are light, the kindling can be put on top. It's disgusting the amount of litter left lying around, but in an emergency situation, use whatever opportunity presents itself. And we can move this to wherever our fire lay is. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm sorry if I haven't been able to message you, but get out there, get training. You know it makes sense. It'll serve you well.